We did a lot with Microsoft over the years. Microsoft took a big shift in their stance on open source when Steve Ballmer left and Satya took over as CEO. Now, he was very much a big proponent and fan of open source. And prior to that, Steve Ballmer was not. They've really opened it up in the last decade or so, become huge proponents of open source.
And that was a connection that you made at a WordCamp event initially?
Yeah, if you can believe it. I met some Microsoft contacts at a WordCamp, and then as they were just starting to get into the idea of using WordPress, it's the idea of just getting out there and networking. I know it's different, obviously, now, post-pandemic world, and events are just kind of struggling to come back, but it's hard to replace the idea of in-person networking and connection. Early days, I used to go with a very mission, like I want to go land clients. I'm going here to land a client. Let's see what we can find. But then I very quickly realized it's not really the point, right? The point is to network, to contribute, to be a part of the community, to help give back. And naturally, by doing that, it does expose you to those potential clients. So I very much changed my mindset early on and said, I'm just going to go and really enjoy it, have a good time, talk to people, get involved, volunteer, and good things will happen. And they did. It's a good stance I take, and I still do to this day, is just get out there and talk to people, even if it's through podcasts or virtual networking. Because the more people you know and associate with, the more they're going to think about you and your company, and maybe down the road, hey, Brad's over there. Let's send him over there. He can help out. And still to this day, people will show up, walk in the door, a project lead, a contact, or whatever. And it'll be someone I met 5, 6, 7 years ago to WordCamp. We've landed some big clients just by being involved and being a part of the community.